Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasurely Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our August kit reveals. As you know, Treasurely is a monthly kit club and chipboard company, and we provide monthly kits. We have 3 kits: a scrapbook kit, a cards, tags, and more kit, and a mixed media kit. And every month we bring you these videos to show you what's in our kits. So if you want to see what we're offering for August, stick around. We're going to jump right into it. Okay, first up, we have our scrapbook kit. Our scrapbook kit is $52. That includes US shipping. And you can get that on our website at www.treasurelykits.com. And we're going to go ahead and reveal everything that's in our kit. First off, we've got some metal embellishments. There's 16 pieces. These are from Prima Marketing, and you get the whole pack. Next up, we've got a pack of flowers. Now, if you've never seen a Treasurely kit, we love flowers, so there's always going to be lots of flowers in your scrapbook kit. And you've got 12 pieces here, and these are really pretty. They've got the metallic gold centers in here. Next up, you've got some mechanical or metal flowers. You've got 9 pieces here. And the smaller ones can be layered, but then you've got your bigger ones. And we try and coordinate all our flowers with our kits. So yeah, you're looking at a kit that's going to turn out to be more masculine than feminine this month, and a little bit grungy. So our next pack is desert flowers, and you've got more metal flowers. You've got 8 flowers in here, and you've got them in 2 different colors. You've got them in this nice patina green, and then you've got this nice rustic brown. So those are some of the embellishments in the kit, and we've got more. You got a package of chipboard. Now, I will say that this is not Treasurely's chipboard, but we do have similar pieces on our website. These actually came as part of our paper pack from 3/4 Designs. So you've got these leaves. And we do have separate leaves on our website as far as our very own chipboard. So make sure you visit the website at www.treasurelykits.com, and then click on shop and click under chipboard and go under every category, and you'll see what we have available in those categories. You'll find the leaves under nature. And then we've got some film strip chipboard. We've got 3 pieces of that. 2 smaller ones and 1 large one, and Treasurely does sell the similar chipboard to this. Again, you'll find it under our shop under chipboard, and I believe the film strips are under backgrounds, and these are just the inside pieces that they give you. So that's the chipboard that's going to be with the kit. Now, we've also got some pieces that go along with our paper. We've got lots of ephemera that go with the paper. If you like fussy cutting, you will love these. We've got some cutouts of some clocks, some keys, some gears. And as you can see, there's a theme building. This kit's going to be pretty masculine, pretty grungy. Next up, the next sheet is you've got some textured brick walls and some more film strips. And these aren't as small, so you can cut these out and use these as layers behind your photo. And then you've got some tags that can be cut out and be used as layers. And then you've got like some quotes that you can cut out and use on your page. And then you've got 2 more. These are a little bit bigger. You can use these as quotes, or you can use these to layer behind your photo, or both. And then you've just got some more layers to go behind your photo. There's 2 pieces here. There's 2 pieces here. So in total, you've got 7 sheets of ephemera also to go with your kit. Now, I know you want to get into the paper. So what's our paper for this month? If you don't know, Treasurely tries to specialize in hard to get or international papers, and this month is no different. And we've also got a new manufacturer to us, and this is paper by 3/4 Design, and it's their Grunge Reinvented collection. So your top sheet shows you everything that you get, but on the back, you've got a bonus sheet of paper, just nice and dark and smoky and grungy for your masculine pages, for your grungy pages. You might even be able to get a few heritage pages out of this if that's what you're into. Now here's your next sheet. Unfortunately, these papers are only one-sided, but you still get a nice variety. And you've got all this nice fun texture. Again, everything's all dark and smoky. You've got the blacks, the grays, the browns, and then some white thrown in there. But I just love, love, love these papers. And they're of very high quality. They're heavyweight. They look a little bit glossy, so if you want to add some mixed medium to them, I would prime these papers first with some clear gesso, just so your mediums would take. But look at all the texture on these papers. Absolutely love these. I love the romantic, shabby chic type, but every now and then I love a good grunge too. And look at all the papers. Now, this is your back sheet. So you've got another bonus sheet, but what I also like too is on the back, they give you some examples or ideas of some pages you can create, and they're showing you up to 6 pages that you can get from this one pack of paper. So that's really nice. So don't throw out your front cover or your back cover, because you get an extra sheet of paper, plus you also get ideas on how to use the paper. But you're also going to get ideas here too from us at Trade Your Link Kits. So make sure you hit the like button, comment, and then hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time we upload a video. And we do videos, not only do we do our reveal videos, but we do videos using our kits to show you what we create. So you can follow along if you'd like to create that project. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. All you card makers out there, this is our cards, tags, and more kit, and that kit is named because you can make cards, you may get stuff to make tags, you may get stuff to make mini albums. It's kind of like our small paper craft kit. So if you like small paper crafts, then this is the kit for you. This kit retails for $40. That includes your shipping as well. I think that's, no, it's $42, I'm sorry. And that includes your shipping as well. So let's go ahead and get into the kit. First off, we got a chalk ink in pastel brown. And then you're going to get these 3 grapevine hearts as well. You got 3 different sizes here, like a small, medium, and a large. And then again, you've got a whole pack of flowers. You've got 60 pieces in the flowers. And these are fun because some are glittered and some are plain. And then they've all got a little rhinestone center. Next, you're going to get a pack of ribbons. You've got 4 different ribbons in here. And our whole collection is from Belle Fleur. This is from Craft Consortium. We've had their products in our kits before, but this is the Belle Fleur collection, and these are the ribbons. And then you're also going to get some enamel dots, and these are all the colors that coordinate with the kit, so it gives you a very quick visual as to, you know, what will go with your kit as far as the colors go. You're also going to get a full stamp set, and these are clear stamps and they coordinate with the kit. You've got some images, and then you've got some words here too. Worth the wait, you have my whole heart, love, and save the date. These are perfect if you want to do some wedding invitations, or if you want to do some romantic cards. These are perfect. Next up, you're going to get some rub-ons, and you get 2 sheets of rub-ons in here, and they kind of coordinate with the stamps too, as far as the images and some of the sayings that are on here. Again, thinking of you, special day, with love, worth the wait, and same thing on the back. So you get 2 sheets of these. You're also going to get an envelope and a gatefold card. Now you can use this gatefold card to make your card, or you can use it as a template to make other gatefold cards, but you're going to get that along with the envelope. And then you're going to get a pack of 6x6 papers. There's 40 sheets in here, but they're 10 designs, so you're going to get 4 sheets of each design. And I've pulled out the papers so we can look at the papers up close. These papers are double-sided, and some of the papers, if you look closely, have a little bit of a sheen to them, like this one. And I know it's going to be hard to see in the video, but it's got a nice little sheen. And here you go for another one. And this is another sheet that has a nice little sheen to it. It's really pretty in person. And I love the neutralness of these colors because you can put any other color with it. Here's another sheet. And then you're going to have another sheet that's a little bit textured. This is almost like it's embossed on this sheet. The back side is flat, but the front is embossed. And then you've got more. And so these are going to be the 10 designs. And you're going to get 4 sheets of these. And this one is a little embossed as well too. And the back is flat. So like I say, you're going to get this full pack, but I just wanted to go through the 10 designs, and they're all in here. And so this has been our cards, tags, and more kit. And again, it's available on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. Next up is going to be our mixed media kit. So here's our mixed media kit. Now, the purpose of our mixed media kit is to help you build your medium stash and to learn how to play with mediums or mix mediums. And we also like to include a project. So our mixed media kit is a standalone kit that you can start working on as soon as you open up the box. So you don't have to have anything else to go with it, just some stuff from your stash. And so for this month, our mediums, we're going to start off with, we've got some texture sand paste in neutral. This is a nice textured paste. It's a little bit gritty. Hard to see inside, but it's a little bit gritty. It's going to give you some nice texture. You can use it like modeling paste, except it's going to give you a little bit more of that grit. We've also got some of the new Ranger Distress Foundry wax. And they look like the alcohol inks, but they work a little bit differently. Like, you're going to have to shake them up to use, and it's almost like a liquid wax. So again, make sure you are subscribed to our channel so that you can see the videos when our design team uses the Foundry waxes and shows you how to use them. So you're going to get a color in Statue. It's kind of a coppery color, and then you're going to get a color in Silver. Alright, and then the project that you're going to get in here, this is actually almost like a 4-in-1 project that you're going to get. First off, you're going to get the matte resin egg shrine, and when you open this up, you'll find that the back of it is flat and the bottom of it is flat, so you can attach this if you want to mount this on a surface, and you don't have to worry about it being uneven or anything like that. But it's a resin egg shrine, and you can put anything on the inside of it, and it takes mediums, and you can go ahead and decorate this any kind of way you want. So you can use that as one project. The next project is a set of wooden trays, and so you get 3 in here, and they stack together. So you can use these individually, or you can use these as one project, however you choose to do it. And you can attach these, and you can use them on the inside as a shadow box, or you can flip them over and use the flat side. But this again is like 3-in-1 project. And then also we're giving you the little easel to display your projects however you want. And there's also a 6x6 stencil in here to use with your sand paste, to use on your wooden boxes, or to use on your resin egg. But this has been our mixed media kit, and again, I'm sorry, this kit retails for $47, and it's available on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. This has been reveal day, so that's why you're seeing our kits, which means hurry on over to the website because some of these will be limited in quantity. But the best thing to do is go ahead and subscribe so you'll never miss out on another kit. And again, just stay tuned to our blog and to our YouTube channel so that you can see all the projects that our designers create with our kits. And this has been Kim for Trade Jolie Kits. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.